Hello to all of you. There are most important questions for PhD entrance exam, lecturer, CGT, seated. So let's start. First question is the World Wide Web is being standard by. Option है A World Wide Corporation, B W3C, C World Wide Consortium, D World Wide Web Standard. So right answer is a B W3C. Second question है the Nobel Prize is awarded by A the British Royal Society, B the Royal Swedish Academy of Science, the US National Science Foundation, the European Science Foundation. So right answer is the Royal Swedish Academy of Science. Next question है Urkund is a tool to compute bond angle in a molecule. B software used for computation of quantum mechanical modeling in chemistry. C place where uranium ore is excavated. D tool to detect plasmorhism. So right answer is a tool to detect plasmorhism. Fourth question is which among is the following general has an impact factor is around 50. A chemical review, B chemical communication, B talenta, and D is ACS nano. So right answer is a chemical review. Fifth question है the total number of significant figure in 1.20 into 10 to the power 3 is. यहाँ पर 120 is a सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर, 10 टू द पावर 3 को हम सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में काउंट नहीं करते, इसलिए यहाँ पे सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हो जाएगा 3. सिक्स क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मे बी यूज टू मेजर द रेट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर डिसइंटीग्रेशन. फर्स्ट है ए है साइक्लोट्रॉन, बी जीगर मूलर काउंटर, सी मास स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफ, डी कोल्ड चैम्बर. सो राइट आंसर इज अ जीगर मूलर काउंट. सेवंथ है रैंक द फॉलोइंग सीरीज ऑफ एटम इन अ ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी के इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में एटम का कौन सा सीरीज है. सो यहाँ पे जो सी है आर्सेनिक लेस देन फॉस्फोरस लेस देन नाइट्रोजन लेस देन ऑक्सीजन लेस देन फ्लोरीन इज अ करेक्ट आंसर. एट्थ क्वेश्चन है थोरियम डिसइंटीग्रेशन सीरीज इज नोन एज ए 4n सीरीज, B 4n+1 series, C 4n+2 series, D 4n+3 series. So right answer is A 4n series. Question 9th है which ratio decide the efficiency of nanomaterials. A weight upon volume, B surface area upon volume, C pressure upon volume, D volume upon weight. So B surface area and volume is a right answer. Question number 10 है the intense color of aminophore minus NCrO7 2 minus are due to A DD transition, B charge transfer transition, C NP transition, D intersystem foundation. So right answer is the B charge transfer transition. 11th question है IUPAC name of the following compound is A bicyclo 2,1,2 octane, bicyclo 2,1,2 heptane, bicyclo 2,2,1 butane, bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. So right answer is D bicyclo 2,2,1 heptane. 12th question है the point group symmetry of BRF5 is A D3H 4 B4V, C C4V, D C3V. So right answer is the C C4V. 13 question है what is the bond angle in nitrogen trichloride. A 120 degree, B 107.5 degree, C 109.5 degree, D 90 degree. So right answer is a B 107.5 degree. Question 14 is a Ziegler-Natta catalyst for a polymerization of ethylene and propene consists of TiCl3 and A an aluminum alkyl, B titanium acetyl acetone, C ferrocene, D an amino acid. So right answer is the A an aluminum alkyl. Question 15 है the unit of rate constant of zero order reaction is. First है m s to the power -1, m is a molarity and s is a second. B है s to the power -1, C m to the power -1, s to the power -1, D m to the power -1 और s. So right answer is a ms⁻⁻1। क्वेश्चन 16 है, इफ़ कंपाउंड हैज़ अ pH ऑफ 6.5 इट हैज़ अ pOH ऑफ A 6.5, B 7.5, C 3.16 into 10⁻⁻7, D 1.16 into 10⁻⁸. So right answer is a C 7.5. Question 17 है, which of the following is the principal chromophore in an azo dye? A N double bond N, B C double bond N, C double bond N, D N triple bond N. So right answer is A N double bond N. 18 question है, how many equivalent proton are there in tetramethylsilane? So A is a 10, B is a 12, C is a 14 and D is a 16. So right answer is a 12. Question 19 है, which of the following pair of gases is the major case of greenhouse effect? ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट के लिए कौन सी गैस है जो सबसे ज़्यादा उत्तरदायी होती है? फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है CO2 N2O, B है CO2 CO, C है CO2 SO2 and D है CFC and SO2. So right answer is a CO2 N2O. Question 20, which of the following is the secondary pollutant? A CO, B CO2, 3O3 and D SO2. कौन सा सेकेंडरी पॉल्यूटेंट है? सेकेंडरी पॉल्यूटेंट जो डायरेक्टली इमिट नहीं होता है उसे हम सेकेंडरी पॉल्यूटेंट कहते हैं. सो CO3 इज़ द राइट आंसर. ओजोन जो है वो सेकेंडरी पॉल्यूटेंट होता है. इफ़ यू लाइक दैट देन प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक टू माई वीडियो. थैंक यू.